This video includes an overview of how to operate the tank scale on the Napoleon Prestige Connected gas grill. If using a propane tank to fuel the grill, the system can continuously monitor the propane remaining in the tank and provide the status at a quick glance. The icon for this is located near the center of the display. When the icon is green, the tank is at 100 to 50% full. When it is orange, it's at 49 to 20%. When it's red, it's less than 20%, and when it's flashing red, it's low and will need to be refilled. To zero out the tank scale in order to ensure correct operation, remove the tank from the grill and press the designated button on the back right corner of the scale. Wait 20 seconds for the scale to balance to zero, then open the Napoleon Home app and select the grill, then navigate to the tank scale section in the settings menu. Select calibration, followed by begin. Now select your region. If North America is selected, the default tank weight will populate automatically. If in Europe, you can select from the list of available tank specifications. If a custom tank is selected, enter the tank's full and empty weight to ensure precise measurements. Once the tank is selected, press Calibrate to exit the calibration settings. Ensure to wait at least 1 minute for the values to update in the application before replacing the tank on the scale. Once complete, the display will accurately read the tank's level. Once initially performed, this process doesn't need to be repeated, but can be done as desired. The Napoleon Home app also showcases propane levels by referring to the icon along the top banner. See the links in the description for additional videos on how to use the Prestige Connected gas grill. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.